Hi guys, this is a Samsung A54 5G that is going to launch in the next month. Let's talk about smartphone design. You will find plain surface at the back, but this time camera module is little bit different. In Samsung A53 there was little bit camera bump, but in Samsung A54 you will find plain camera module like Samsung S23. So overall there is IP67 dust and water resistance, so you can use your smartphone for 30 minutes in 1 meter depth water. Let's talk about Samsung A54 display. Here you will find 6.6 inches full HD Super AMOLED display panel. With that you will find 120 Hz refresh rate and 800 nits peak brightness. So overall the display is same the previous one, so there is no more changing from the Samsung. Let's talk about Samsung A54 performance. Here you will find Android 13 and One UI 5 out of the box, and about chipset you will find Exynos 1380 chipset and octa-core 2.4 GHz clock speed. About RAM there is only 6 and 8 GB, two options are available, and about storage you will find 128 GB and 256 GB option. Let's talk about Samsung A54 camera. Here is triple camera at the back side. You will find 50 megapixel main camera, with that 12 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel macro lens. With this camera you can do 4K video recording on 30 fps. There is no option for 8K. Let's talk about the front camera. You will find 32 megapixel selfie camera. With that also you can record 4K video recording on 30 fps. Let's talk about smartphone battery. Here you will find 5100 mAh battery and 25 watt fast charging support. So this section is almost same with A53. So overall smartphone is just fine. You cannot say it is too much good and not too much bad. And if you are interested in OnePlus, you must watch OnePlus 11 video that I upload. You can find the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Allah.